I love Reese's. I'll take that first. Here we go. Ah, wait! I got slimed!
Ice cream, get your Mr. Incredible's delicious ice cream here. Hey there, everybody. It's me, your favorite ice cream man, Mr. Incredible. And it's finally Halloween, my favorite time of the year. And you know what my favorite thing to do on Halloween? It's not going trick-or-treating and get candy. Instead, I like to go to people's houses and deliver my Halloween candy ice cream treats to everyone. Okay, time for me to go ice truck or treating. Ice cream, get your Incredibles ice cream. Is anyone home? Trick or treat. Anybody home? Wait, Romeo, this is your house?
Yes, this is my house. What are you doing here, Mr. Incredible?
I'm here trick or treating.
Trick or treating? No way. I don't have candy for superheroes. I only give candy to my villain friends, like Underminer, Screenslaver, and Luna Girl.
No. You don't understand, Romeo. I'm here to bring you a treat, an ice cream treat. I have my very own Halloween ice cream, and I want to give you ice cream for a special Halloween treat. Come over here to the truck and I'll show you.
What? Is this ice cream all for me?
That's right, Romeo. That's my special Halloween ice cream that I give away to people I trick or treat to.
Wait, let me get this straight. So you go around and give people like me ice cream, and we don't have to give you anything?
That's right, Romeo. Isn't it great? I bring everyone in the neighborhood their favorite Halloween treats right to their houses. It's so much fun.
That's a good idea. Hey, Mr. Incredible. Maybe I can try to be just like you. Do you think I could take your ice cream truck for a really quick drive, and I'll give it right back?
I don't know, Romeo. That sure is a big favor to ask.
Oh, please, Mr. Incredible. I want to hand out ice cream treats just like you.
Well, okay, since you're doing a nice deed on Halloween, but just for a little while. I can't let you drive too far because I still have a lot of trick-or-treating to hand out.
Great, Mr. Incredible. That is awesome. Come on, let me eat.
Romeo, remember, don't drive too fast and come right back, okay?
Don't worry, Mr. Incredible. You can trust me. Ha, he's gone. I tricked Mr. Incredible, and now I have the ice cream truck all to myself. And I'm going to trick everyone and steal their Halloween candy in my new ice cream truck. This is my greatest plan ever. I'm finally done trick-or-treating and I'm back home. Man, look at all the candy I got. This is the greatest Halloween ever. I can't wait to go inside and eat it all. Hey, wait. I hear something. Is that Mr. Incredible in his ice cream truck? Romeo? What are you doing in there? That's Mr. Incredible's truck. Mr. Incredible let me borrow his truck. Wow, really? He passes out ice cream on Halloween. Yeah, well, I'm helping Mr. Incredible collect candy. Follow me and I'll tell you all about his new plan. Okay, here's how it's going to work. I'm going to give you some of Mr. Incredible's yummy ice cream, and you're going to give me some of your candy. What? That's not how Mr. Incredible usually does it. Yeah, but that's how he wants to do it this year. And he asks me to help him. It's the best ice cream ever. So, what do you say? Well, it definitely is the best ice cream ever, especially the Halloween candy flavors. But look at how much candy I have. I'd have to give it all to you. Okay, fine. I'll do it. Yep, coming right up, Frozone. Here's your special Halloween ice cream. Enjoy. Wow, just look at all this candy. Thanks, Frozone. That sure is a lot of candy. Don't forget to tell your friends about me. Okay, happy Halloween, Romeo. Tell Mr. Incredible I said thanks. Mwahahahaha, Frozone fell for my plan. Look at all this candy I took. It was so easy. This may be the easiest and best plan ever. I finally get to try Mr. Incredible's ice cream. This is the best ice cream ever. I can't wait to eat it. Whoa, wait, what is this? Ew, it's slime. Oh ruined! This must have been Romeo! Romeo tricked me and I gave him all my candy! My Halloween is ruined! Jack, this is going to be so easy. Like taking candy from a baby. Oh, Jack, it's your good friend Romeo. Whoa, Jack, that's a lot of candy. You did good trick-or-treating. You got the big bars of Reese's, Snickers, and so much more. This is the best Halloween candy bucket I've ever seen. Too bad I'll have to take it. And since you don't have any superpowers yet, you can't do anything about it. Let's see. I love Reese's. I'll take that first. Here we go. Ah, wait! I got slimed on my head. It's all over my awesome hair. Jack, did you do this? Oh no, now I gotta clean this up. My hair is going to be ruined. Jack is always ruining my plans. Silly baby.
Jack, there you are. I see you went trick-or-treating and got lots of candy. Wow, and you found my ice cream truck too. Way to go, buddy. I was looking all around for this. Hey, Jack, did you save the day all by yourself? That's my boy. Good job, Jack. You stopped Romeo and saved Halloween. Oh, look, here comes the school bus now. Are you ready? I have all your school supplies right here. We have your markers, your can of Play-Doh, your yummy lunch. Oh, and I didn't forget your pet raccoon. I think that's all you need to bring today on your first day of school. Wait, what's that, Jack? I forgot something. Oh no, your baby bottle, that's right. How could I forget? Hey, bus driver, can you wait right here? We have to go get Jack's bottle. We'll be right back.
Mr. Incredible left Jack supplies on the bus. Now's my chance. I'll take this. And ooh, I'll take this too. Have fun at school, Jack.
We're back. Don't leave without us. Hey, wait, what happened to all of Jack's things? He can't go to school without any school supplies or his lunch. Where did they go? Oh no, don't cry, Jack. We'll figure this out. We'll find out who took all of your school supplies, and then we'll get you right to school soon. I promise. I'm gonna go right now to get the whole family here to solve this mystery once and for all.
Goodbye, sandwich. Now I have the perfect plan. I'm going to hide all of Jack's school supplies all over the park. He'll never find them all in time to start school.
Oh, I can't believe the summer is over and it's the first day of school already. Mom, do we have to go to school? Can't we just wait another week? No, Dash and Violet, stop being silly. You know you have to go to school.
Family, I made a big mistake. I was taking Jack to the bus stop for his first day of school, and then I turned around for 1 second. I don't know what happened, but someone took all of Jack's school supplies, and now he can't go to school. What are we going to do? We have to help.
This sounds familiar. Isn't there a villain who does this to the kids every year on the first day of school? Oh yeah, remember! It's Screenslaver! He did this to me last year. He hid my school supplies all over the park.
Screenslaver! I should have known it was him. Okay, let's split up and look for Jack's things at the park so we won't be late for school. Let's go, Incredible Family! I wonder if Screenslaver left anything here in the monkey bars. Good thing I'm a monkey bar champion. Okay, boys and girls, press the thumbs up button if you like climbing the monkey bars at the park. I don't see anything here. Where could it be? Wait, what's that? I smell something. It smells like a hamburger? Look up there. Do you see that? It's Jack Jack's lunch. I better go get it. Here I come, Burger. You'll be Jack Jack's lunch today. Almost there. Just a little higher. Gosh, Screenslaver sure left this burger in a really high place. How did he climb up so high? And I got it. Jack Jack, look at what Daddy found. Your school lunch. Aren't you happy that your daddy saved the day? Oh no, don't cry, Jack Jack. The rest of the family's working on getting the rest of your school supplies.
Last year on my first day of school, Screenslaver hid all of my school supplies somewhere around this playset. I bet he did the same thing with Jack Jack's. I remember it was somewhere around all these tall steps. But where? I wonder what's in here. Whee! Whoa, that slide was amazing! But I still didn't find anything. But I know I'm close. Let me check the other slides. I know he left some of my play stuff around here last time. So something has to be here. Look, I see something. A big slide tunnel. That's a perfect hiding spot. I know something isn't here. Hello? Anyone there? Wow, look what I found. It's Jack Jack's Play-Doh. I knew it. Nice try, Screenslaver. I know all of your hiding spots. Jack Jack is going to be so happy. I can't wait to take it to him. Jack Jack, I found your favorite Play-Doh. Screenslaver hid it in one of the slides. Aren't you so happy? Please don't cry, Jack Jack. Don't worry. Mommy's working on finding your other supplies. She'll save the day. Just you wait. Aha, a swing set. There must be something over there. That's where I'd hide toys if I were a mean villain. Let's go check it out. Whoa, this sure is fun. I usually push Jack Jack on the swing. I forgot how fun it is to actually ride on the swing set. Look how high I'm going. But I don't see anything. Hey, wait, what's that? I see something over there. Baby swings. That's even better. Knowing Screenslaver, he must have hit something in here. Is it in this wing? Nothing there. But look, there's still another baby swing to check. Aha! I knew it! It's Jack Jack's markers! I found them! That's great! I knew they were here! I have to take these to Jack Jack now, before school starts. Here I come! Jack Jack, your mommy found your school markers! Now you can color at school! Aw, you still want the rest of your stuff? Well, don't cry. Dash is still out there. He'll be here soon with your toy. I hope. Duckies! Oh boy, this is my favorite ride at the park. I love rocking on these. Giddy up, Ducky! Woohoo! Whoa, this is amazing! But Jack Jack is counting on me to find his last school supply. I better keep looking. It has to be somewhere else around here. Hey, I see something over there. I better go check it out. A rocking zebra! This is the ducky's best friend. Hey there, Mr. Zebra. Can I have a ride? Wow, you'll never believe what I found. It's Jack Jack's pet raccoon. I found his last school supply. Hey, buddy. Jack Jack is looking everywhere for you. Let's go back and tell him that you're okay. Let's go back to Jack Jack.
Jack Jack's family brought all of Jack Jack's stuff back to him. Now he's finally ready to start his first day of school. Have fun at school. Hey there, Mr. Incredible. You had quite the day today. Good luck getting the other kids to school. If you had fun saving Jack Jack's stuff with the Incredibles, then give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want more videos, then keep watching.